Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 8 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Data tables and analysis. On the management worksheet, create a one-variable data table to analyze sales, expenses, and profit based on contracted hours. Reference the appropriate cells for total sales, expenses, and gross profit. Create a two-variable data table to evaluate gross profit based on hours contracted and hourly rates, using proper input cells. Step 2. Scatter charts for analysis. On the change worksheet, plot a scatter with straight lines chart for break-even analysis, resize it, and customize axis bounds and titles for clarity. Repeat similar steps on the process worksheet for net income analysis and apply monochromatic colors. Step 3. Scenario Manager Comparison. Create scenarios to compare costs for standard and certified consultants on the change worksheet by adjusting variable and fixed costs. Step 4. Solver analysis for cost reduction. On the process provider's worksheet, set up Solver to minimize total costs by adjusting hours provided by each company, following constraints such as maximum hours and total fees. Step 5. Scenario reporting and pivot table. Use Scenario Manager to create a scenario summary and pivot table on the All Types worksheet. Format the pivot table to display profit per hour in currency format. Add and customize a clustered column pivot chart based on the pivot table. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.